Can y'all hear me? All right. Great morning. Good morning. Good morning, Hilder. Good morning, James. Good morning, Yanni. I get started on a smaller watch list today. If you're a premium member, be on the lookout for the alert section today. All right, let's get this going. First off, Apple. All right. Let's clear this. We can redo it all. So we got that first leg up. And if you're going off of this touch, you have a trend line there. All right, 5-day. Price level. Why is it? Oh, I know why. It's a little better. So let's just look at the last 2 days. Or last day and a half. So let's mark the high. Let's mark that low. Let's mark that pre-market high. Pre-market low. So Apple's actually squeezing its ass off right now. With a tiny little gap below it. So it could drop $1 if it really wanted to. Because the trend line is right here. Which it looks like it's about to touch it actually already. You might see momentum die off. Catch support and then it fly. We'll have to see the double confirm with Q's. But let's at least write that down. Good morning, Adrian. Just saw your message. I hope y'all can hear me, by the way. $30-minute. Tight pre-market. Actually, don't delete that. I need that line. Damn, it even caught there in after hours. That's kind of cool. Momentum also giving out here. This line here is sticky. It really needs to get above that 128. I'm just going to say 128. Thank you, James. Good morning, Wart. Good morning, Aaron. I think Cryptic Comedy Commentary is Mason. The first chart was Apple. Right now we're on Beyond. Let's just clear this. I do notice this, though, instantly. So you got that one range, drop. It's like we're in a second range now. Yeah, we're like back to this range again. Yeah, that peak is this peak. This bottom's just a little bit off. Top's a little bit off, too. That's the range we're back in now. Seems like it's decided by this candle here. Let's mark this here. clear that again. Let's go yesterday's high. Yesterday's low. We'll use that one. Honestly, that's the range I'm going to go with on Beyond. I don't want to play it unless it breaks that range. If you want to scalp it with more aggressive lines, you can. You can easily just say, hey, break above 126.50 because you do have a triple touch here. So if you get a candle that pops up above 126.50, you're most likely going to get a run up to this line. But this is where it's most likely going to keep stopping. Until it breaks this line for a more one-directional breakout, I don't want to play it. Let's do a bank today. Haven't done banks in a while. Check out that 1 hour. Okay, it's still in the uptrend. Extend it to the right. Caught support and gapped up from there. Looks like it did fill that range. It filled that gap right there. There's another gap right here. Damn, it looks like it's going to try and run there. Momentum's picking up. Support was caught. Just kept making higher highs. If this is what every bank looks like, they look really strong right now. For at least a little bit more. It looks like Bank of America could run to at least 27.90s. 28.20s is a very high possibility. Let's go check out Facebook. I'm going to mark the level that we pushed up to you. So right here. Support, support, resistance, resistance. Push back up with nothing but blue candles. I actually remember that day. Bet a lot of you remember that day. Let's mark this peak. Yesterday's low is going to be a nice level to use. 256 to 251 is going to be a good target. And then I think we are going to go with a pre-market high there. Let me move this over here. $259.25. This is airline stocks. If you guys want an ETF for airline, just type in JETS. It's a very good one. It's even got good contracts for swinging. Oh, we got a level right here. Stopped here, gapped up, stopped here. I like that. That's a good future resistance. Arcing that tip. It's actually sitting on a gap right now. It gapped up, or a gap down here, sorry. Price is sitting on there right now on the 2 hour. Shout out Brian PR. That's why I got the 2 hour on. A lot of stocks are in tighter pre-markets today, I notice. No, I didn't see the ridiculousness of Tesla. Oh, I mean, I heard about this. After the stock split hit, bigger money started buying it again. People were saying that'd be cool if it went to 2100 or something, so it could split 5 and 1 to 420. I don't care what it splits to. I think that's just kind of cool a little bit. Alright, let's draw. Shit, we could put Tesla on the list if y'all want. It's not hard. That's actually the strongest level on the chart right now. Support, turn, resistance. Push back above into the after hours. Still above it in pre-market. Seems like it keeps touching it too. You could even say short from that level. Damn, Tesla is insane. BA. Then I'm going to do Snap, and then we'll be done with this list. I didn't want to do a shit ton of bulls in charge of SPY today. Tesla's out of my league. Tesla's not out of your league. The premiums are. Tesla is not out of your league. The premium's out of a lot of people's leagues. Adrian said bulls in charge of SPY today. What's the Dow doing? The Dow's up. Qs are up. Going back down towards the gap down it had. Could be a buy the dip for the pre-market buyers too. Alright, so all I'm doing is marking that gap up. Or we caught support before another gap up. I like that level the most. $184.75. Snap. By the way, if you guys have If you guys have premium access, that's where the voice channel will be today. I'll be posting in the signals today. If you are a premium member, please, please, please watch all the content that we have. I didn't realize how much we had the other day till yesterday was the first day I actually went back through and like saw how much content we had. We have a shit ton. All right, we're on a good uptrend here on Snap. Just on the 5 minute. I didn't break it down any later than that. You could even use it from here actually. So it's a little longer than that. The bottom of a broadening channel in the hour. I don't even know if I spelled that right. I'm just going to say below yesterday's low. Above pre-market high. And then target this peak. Second target would be double peak. Target 2 would be 22.50, which you guys gotta remember that's a shit ton for a Snap. This run here would have been amazing to catch. 21.60. 21.25 seems to be a continuously touched target, and then of course 21. I'm gonna send this over. We can go through more charts though. I'm not gonna get off yet. I'm gonna end this at 8:15 my time, so like 11 minutes. Let me just send this over to my boy. All right, what you guys looking at today? Did you see a bunch of stuff about Trump for president? What does anyone in here think about Kamala Harris and Biden? Or Kamala Harris being the running mate for Biden? Or just send me what y'all are talking about and we won't turn this into politics. SPY, to be honest. Oh yeah, SPY same days are going to be good. Remember, there's same day contracts on the indexes. SPY, Facebook, and AMD. I'm just glad most of the people in chat are watching Q stocks because it is nice to play the aggressive stocks. But just remember, there are other stocks in the stock market. SPY and Nike. Nike's a good one, Aaron. Saw a lot of people talking about that one yesterday. I saw Leo and Holy Fire talk about it. It's actually on a really nice support right now. It's on a really nice channel, really. I always size less with same day. That's perfect, man. That's exactly what you need to be doing. Honestly, I wish more people would do that. Some people play heavier on that. I don't understand why. Especially if they're new to it. Don't overforce a trade you're not even used to. If you're not used to same days or how the feel of a same day contract burning as it's going through the day. It's crazy how many same day contracts I could have held for more money because it's insane like what some stocks will do with the same day. Like Nvidia, and I'll never forget the Nvidia one I did. I remember buying it and selling for like 60% profit, and then the stock died. I was like, oh, I'm glad I got out. Then the stock rallied the rest of the day, and I was like, oh, my same day contract wouldn't do nothing. It actually was like doubled. So you just need movement when you play same days. You need movement. It has to go your way. And if it's too late, it has to go your way a lot. Turn 100 into 900 like all right, yeah. That was pretty beast. Exactly, Mason. If you could snipe that entry, you could do whatever you want. I've been watching those swing callouts came in clutch. Yeah, I honestly need to start taking some of her swing callouts more. It's okay though. Just got all of us working as a team because we pretty much have every aspect in chat. We got swings, scalps, and day trades covered. And you'll see me get into futures trading probably into this year, beginning of next year, just for chat. Futures trading's where it's at. This isn't the all-time high for... It is. Wow. Oh, yep. Here it is. It's sitting on the support. Nike's looking really strong. You got the peak there where the all-time high was. Tried to touch it there, and now it's trying to catch support above it right now. If you get a support catch right here, so you get some blue volume here today for about a day or two in a row, this is going to run. This could go to 115. There is no cap on where this can go now because it is at new waters pushing. If they just get some buyer momentum, which it looks like MACD's turning up, so if they just get some blue volume, some more buyers present, this is going to fly. I would target at least 110 today. I've been learning legs and trends. 1 leg, 2 leg, consolidation. And then you had your overall squeeze of your ascending triangle and it popped for a bullish movement up. And then you're going to say, just like I said, MACD's curling up. You have buyer momentum. You just need buyer volume. Buyer volume will take price to whatever number it wants to right now because it's in new waters. It's a really nice chart to just review, honestly. Is it DG I wanted to look at? Dollar G, yeah. This stock was called out here. Like right before 150. Imagine if we had held that long. Damn, Dollar General is just consolidating its butt off. Look at that tight little range it's in. That's actually really helpful. I was planning on taking profit at opening just to play safe. It depends on how much time you have too, Aaron. If you have a lot of time, I would just sit on that one to see what happens, because it would be cool to see that Nike catch support. Or, worst case, you just take profit, re-enter on another confirmation because your next confirmation would be the buyer volume, so just be on the lookout for that. But it looks really, really good. Tesla. All right. 2 hour. 2 hour engaged. It's a nice short squeeze here on Tesla. After it made a higher high, it's done nothing but make lower highs. That's usual. On a support, though, so you're not entirely bearish yet. Did we go over B8? We did a little bit, but I can go over it again. Let me look at this a little more. Honestly, guys, expect Tesla to be super bullish after that stock split. I think that's very bullish news. Not just because of this, just that is bullish news because now you're going to have bigger money stepping in, raising the crap out of the price just to further lower their number after it does split. Because I'm pretty sure it's going to get bought the hell up after it splits. You might see on Apple and Tesla, you might see like maybe even the first week and a half on both of their splits, you might see them be a little boring. You might even see a little blood loss. But I promise those are going to rally back up. Those are two amazing companies that everyone is aware of. Let's see, can anyone in here guess what America's favorite stock is? I bet nobody can guess. And I'll give you a hint. Warren Buffett owns this stock. A lot of it. I mean, you might see another $100 run up, Aaron. You might see it. I think on BA, short term, I was just going over intraday levels because it had a tighter pre-market after the move up, which it did that yesterday. So you could see a lower high go all the way up to here, or you could see a support formed here. So I think it's going to at least hit one of these two levels. 187.20s or 180. It's going to hit one of those two levels. Promise. Damn, you guys are smart. You'll put KO. That's smart. Because that's the right answer. To this exact day, I don't know if that's still America's favorite stock, but I'm going off of what I've learned on just articles and stuff. But yeah, KO's the answer. One, because it's just worldwide known. Two, it's been here so long and lasted through the times, while also having a reliable stock price a long time. So, just really good American stock. Warren Buffett owns so much of it. How much did he make on that last dividend? It was like, I don't even want to guess. I think it was like 50 million, but that might be off. Beyond BA is going to have to hit one of these lines. It's going to have to hit this to form a lower high. Above that would be a double top up. Even higher would be a higher high. This will have to be touched again for a support grab. If nothing happens, then today's just going to be boring. You might see an exciting explosion from one of these levels, but I think one of these two levels get touched at least today. That's my take on BA. I'm actually going to be posting this in the Signals chat today. But it's 8:15. I will see you guys in chat. Please listen to any of the analysts in the voice chats today. I'm going to be posting in the alert section for premium. If you do not have premium, I highly suggest you upgrade to premium access. There's a lot of content as well as just more help. A lot of the guys who end up getting premium in lifetime are some of the most dedicated people ever. Not just because they paid more, they're dedicated themselves into their own trading. So that's always impressive to see. A lot of those lifetime guys are really, really, really good leaders. But I'll see you guys in chat. Hope to see you guys in my DMs if you need any help. See you.